It is Devon Network. Shandu Randa.
Bobhuti bami
Kuyaphileka mfowethu.
siyaphila futhi sihamba kanjani?
Akuyaphileka. Namhlanje ibirthday yeMarsh and Marsh. Waba ingxenye yayo kusuka ekuqaleni uphinde wathi awubuye futhi. Kungani lokhu khona kule?
Mina nje ehlanganisa abantu base South Africa mebekhuluma into right neyomqondo yaphambili fanele sibe ingxenye yabo. Angithi abantu base South Africa mebehlangene beshuka insanga singayi kubo.
Yes sir.
Sithi asingayi kubantu base South Africa mebehlangene benza izinto ezingekho right. Kanti baphi labo fanele siyakubona mesingayi kubantu abafana March and March. Ngoba March and March phela ikhuluma ukuthi iSouth Africa fanele ilungiselelwe ama South Africans ukuthi abe ibe conducive for ukuthi ikwazi ukuproduce imisebenzi ikwazi ukuproduce economy ekahle so iMarch and March ngeke ngisale into enephakathi kuyona
Mfoka Shandu over the years noma iqalile iMarsh and Marsh sike sabona kuqhamuka nelakho yafundulula abantu abaningi bokufika abasemafemini inkampani ezihlukahlukene abangenawo amaphepha kusho ukuthini lokuthi abantu bathi bekhala ngemisebenzi but kunamafema akwazi ukuqasha abantu abangenamaphepha.
Hey mfethu inkinga enkulu leyo ngoba uma sikhuluma iqiniso kufanele sibe neqiniso nathi ourselves yabo ngoba uma sisabiza omakhenika nathi singambuza ukuthi ungakuphi ngithi ngicela ungikhandele na imoto yami ngegameni lokuthi ushibhile bese ngithi akayikhandi ngithi nali ifastela liphukile kwami bese ngibiza umuntu ongasisa ekhona ama South Africans akwazi kwenza leyo I think fasiqale kithi nje ourselves bese siya kuzo lezi zitolo lezi la iseduze kwethu ukuthi bafowethu nenzani nabantu base South Africa befuna umsebenzi yini ninikeza abantu bangaphandle siqhubeke lapho sekuhulumeni ngoba even nakuhulumeni ama department amaningi aqashile bona abantu abangasibona abala eSouth Africa yabo kuya kwavela lokho even ama institutions ama universities abanye oprofessor balapha mekuvundulula amaphepha ukuthi walisabekho right so us as South Africans it's not like ukuthi abantu bangaphandle sithi asibafuni but ababe namaphepha uyabo umuntu uma ene service ezoyiprovide kube ukuthi ngampela it's a rare skill into abantu base South Africa abahluleka ukuyenza then bese neza abantu bangaphandle so nje yabona nje ngoba ukukhuluma ngelakho ukuthi qhamukile lakho yazi ngisho ngaqhamuka abantu umelwa nje nento ethi kunabantu abangenamaphepha lo muntu uzowina ngoba vele bagcwele yonke indawo
And it's a concern to the South Africa
kakhulu ngoba phela thina sizele ingane yabona abazali bethu abasizalelanga kwiSouth Africa nje
yes
thina kusho ukuthi fanele sishiyele izingane zethu eSouth Africa njani uma thina singayilungisi ngoba thina sizale abantu abazalwa ngama-80s ama-70s and early 90s South Africa bengekho nje bona are they prepared to live beshiyele izingane zabo kwiSouth Africa njani uma bengasukumi beyilungisa that's the question
kunasaziwa engeke ngilisho igama lakhe oyowaba nama alterations athi ayibuza ukuthi kungaba njani eSouth African without ama foreigners kusho ukuthini ukuthi abantu abawesaziwayo should be preaching ivangeli elifanayo nama South Africans but they seems to be different.
Hey, abantu futhi they say and do anything for content creation. Awukwazi ukuhold umuntu accountable just because uyi celeb. I mean uyi celeb, what does it mean? Who is responsible for what? Iyiphi imandate anikezwe yona. So asingavuma ukinfluence abantu abafuna ama like nabantu abafuna ipublicity. Uyabo thina si concerned kakhulu ngama officials uthatheni. Well ke mhlawumbe ukurespond into efana naleyo it was a very unfortunate statement. Yes yena ubekusho nje mhlawumbe because ubehlele ecabangile ebukile ukuthi hayibonge siyabadinga akacabanga sisanga kahle hle ngoba ukhulume into offender ama South Africans as if they are lazy as if South Africans cannot wash cars as if they cannot do salons they cannot because ukhuluma ngezinto ezimenial into engadinga ukuthi uyizuyele esikoleni ukuze ukwazi ukuyenza ama South Africans they do it every day until qhamuke laba who do it half price.
iSouth Africa nayo imithetho mfethu eminingi emihle eyiprotectayo out of lezi zinto ezenzala but those laws are not being enforced. Thina uvo lakho lapho
hayi uvo lwami lulodwa elisevotini sevotini asikhulume ngevoti ngoba phela ukenforce kwemthetho kudinga abantu abane political will if political will is not there kusiza niqhubeka ukuvotela abantu who are not willing to enforce those laws are there that are protecting South Africans but those who are supposed to be enforcing those laws are not willing to do it so we must speak to them through voting nalapho futhi uma sibona ukuthi ivote liyaqhubeka nokumanipulate ngalendlela eyenzeka ngayo let us talk through means of radical violence mengithi radical violence I'm not mincing my words I mean what I'm saying because if electoral system is keep on showing these loopholes aswabona each and every elections I mean when was the elections ake enzeka nje for the past 10 or so years kube clean yonke into Why every time there must be ama-complaints kutholakala ama-ballot papers emva kwezindlu zabantu uthola why into injalo yabo we are losing confidence even kuyona electoral system because asazi ukuthi i-announcer abantu as winners labe sibavotelile yini sekukhona ungabethembi kodwa ngenxa yokuthi uhlonipha umthetho South Africa saqhubeka nokuvota but kuzofika isikhathi lapho khona sesingafuni ukuvota akusezi kuba mnandi ke mase kunjalo so aba-enforce imithetho laba banikezwe leyo responsibility as is uma ngi-wrong lokho engikushoyo aba-enforce umthetho nami bengibophe yabo angisho ukuthi aba-enforce uma mina ngenza into wrong mase bengawu-enforce be-enforce menzo wabanye but aba-enforce umthetho ku-South Africa be right
Really appreciate your time.
siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu.